Hey fellas, how's it going? Big Rich here. And I got a new ring light. It's this Elgato. Can I show it? Maybe I could show it. So I'm doing NDI with this phone. I can do that. Do it that way. Come on, back off. Go this way. Go back here. I'm getting sound through my Movo mic on top of the thing. There it is. And there's my eCam setup. And there's the ring light. The dude said that he was double shipped by Amazon. He bought one for his kid, and Amazon sent him two. I never had that kind of luck. He said they didn't want it back. They told him to discard it. So he put it on Craigslist. It cost him $1.99. Well, a new one cost $1.99, and he put it on Craigslist for $175, which, whatever. I offered him 140. Before I knew all this, I offered him 140, and he said, yeah, sure. So I drove about 45 minutes from my house to come get it. He lived about 5 minutes from the Starbucks that I met him at, which is another thing. He could have met me halfway, but he didn't. Anyway, when I got in the parking lot, he told me the story. I offered him 140 on the phone and then on the text, and then when I got there, he only asked for 120 because he got the ring light for free. Well, I was thinking, man, if you got it for free, I'm just going to take it from you or give you, here's $10. Anyway, I gave him the money he wanted, but it's pretty cool. It's got the this app that comes with it. Doesn't come with those $20, $30 ring lights you see on Amazon. This app is pretty slick. You can change the brightness like by doing this. You can change the temperature by doing this. It's pretty cool. It gets pretty bright. Wow, it gets crazy, like sunglasses bright. Holy moly. Oof, and that's really blue. But anyway, so I'm gonna mess with this some more. It's got some different, what does it have? I don't know. And I'm controlling all this on my phone, so it's kind of slick. God, I'm hoping I'm going to the live to the right place. Gee whiz. Anyway, that's what I'm playing with right now. And hope everybody's having a great hump day. See you guys later. Take it easy. Yeah, this is pretty awesome. Let's see if I can zoom. Can I? Come on, man. Move. Go over here to this thing. I can zoom this guy. Move him over. So, oh, that's better in the center. Let's get my phone on the right. Yeah, I've never done that before. That's pretty cool. Pretty slick the way that things work out sometimes. Anyway, $200 ring light, new in the box, with this big, crazy instruction card. Come on, man. That's ridiculous. Yeah, the box is about 2 feet. How big is that? 2 by 2? It's huge. Ugh. So, Elgato. They spend a ton of money on their packaging. But that's what they get. Nice stuff. Anybody on here? Anybody on here? Come on. 0 watchers. Well, pshaw. All right. I guess everybody's having dinner. It's dinner time. 6 o'clock. All right, gang. I'm going to tune this out. Later.